In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix ARC crashing on my PS5. So this is exactly what I did. I basically firstly went into settings on my PS5, I clicked on users and accounts here, and then I clicked on other, and then I clicked on restore licenses. Then I selected all the games that I have on my PS5 actually, including ARC, and I clicked on restore in the bottom right corner. This can sometimes fix it for you. But another thing that you need to do is to also go into network here, click on settings and click on setup internet connection. And now when you are here on your Wi-Fi, click on this button right here on your PS5 and then click on advanced settings. Make sure to scroll down where it says DNS settings, change it from automatic to manual, and primary DNS should be 1.1.1.1. Secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. Click then on OK in the bottom right corner. Then just wait for this one to re-establish the connection completely and then try again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.